Students, today we will study the poem True Beauty by Thomas Carey. This poem has been composed by Thomas Carey. In this poem, the poet glorifies spiritual beauty and condemns the physical beauty. He says that physical beauty is very short lived and the feeling of love due to it dies with the fading of physical charm. It is ephemeral beauty. On the other hand, true beauty lies in the smooth and firm mind, gentle thought, and calm desire. It never dies and goes on inspiring its admirer. It is everlasting. The poet Thomas Carey thus praises the love based on the quality of mind and soul, reject the physical beauty devoid of virtue. Hmm? Student, look at the text. The text is: he that loves a rosy cheek or a coral lip admire, or from star like eyes doth seek fuel to maintain his fires. As the old time makes this decay, so his flames must waste away. But a smooth and steadfast mind, gentle thought and calm desire, hearts with equal love combined, kindle never dying fires. Where these are not, I despise lovely cheeks, lips, or eyes. Hmm? Student, in this poem, two stanza has been composed by poet Thomas Carey. In the first stanza, he determines the physical beauty, and in the second stanza, he emphasizes on the mental beauty or the spiritual beauty. In the first stanza, he says that he that loves a rosy cheek or a coral lip admires, or from star like eyes the seek fuel to maintain his fire. Here the poet says that whether it is rosy cheek, whether it is coral lip, or whether it is star like eyes, all these things need the, what you say, maintenance. If you will not maintain such type of beauty, it will decay. As the old makes this decay, so his flames must waste away. Here the poet wants to say that if you do not keep maintenance to such type of beauty, what will happen? In the old age, it will decay. On the other hand, you can say that physical beauty is not the real beauty. On the other hand, in the second stanza, he says, but a smooth and steadfast mind, gentle thought and calm desires, hearts with equal love combined, kindle never dying fires. Where these are not, I despise lovely cheeks or lips or eyes. In this poem, the poet wants to say that mental beauty is the real beauty. It doesn't it doesn't decay with the passage of time. Whether it is young age or the old age, it remains the same. And he says that but a smooth and steadfast mind, gentle thought and calm desire, these are the symbols of the mental beauty. Hearts with equal love combined. Here the poet wants to say that he wants to love such type of the person. Kindle never dying fires. And such type of beauty never need any kind of maintenance. Where these are not, I despise lovely cheeks or lips or eyes. Here the poet wants to say that if a person does not have such type of mental beauty or the spiritual beauty, he hates such type of person. The poet says that many people think that having cheeks and red and roses, lips as red and coral, and eyes as bright as a star makes woman beautiful. These physical attractions supply fuel to fires for their love. However, physical beauty is temporary. It will die, and with the passage of time, when it will fade away, the lover will have nor sources of inspiration. So his feeling of love will also die. Thus, a man should be attracted by the physical beauty because it is not permanent. Okay. On the other hand, for the mental beauty, he says, the poet says that true beauty lies in the smooth and firm mind, in the gentle thought and the calm desires. A woman with such constant and stable mind, with noble thought and simple desires, will always be source of inspiration. These qualities will make her virtuous, and love generated by virtuous mind and loving hearts is everlasting. A, a love based on such virtue will never fade away. It will go on inspiring its love with the renewed feeling. The poet thus praises the beauty of mind and soul and condemns mere the bodily charm. We should not run after the bodily charm. We should also what you say, go for the spiritual beauty. That's it, student. This is the poem True Beauty by Thomas Carre.